So that's how he brings it back to the tree through the American flag.
Sabi ko sa
Yeah.
Aside from,
Yun, babalik na siya sa
we
tree.
have also a QR codes that
So that will know more.
Oh. And then one of the strains, like for example, that huge strain there is 100 years old na daw yan.
Yeah.
Huge acacia tree. And from that acacia tree, 90 cross, I think Paul Bigay siya 1925.
Ito, 100 years old na yung acacia tree na yun over there. Wow! May nakalagay po doon na sign?
Yeah, we have QR code.
Oh, you have QR code to know more.
Doon naman po sa wall of the missing, our very own Brigadier General Vicente Lin, who's in the Philippine Peace Bill.
Yes.
The first Filipino graduate in US OSMA, US Military Academy, West Point.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, he's included in the role of the missing.
Oh.
And the great grandson is our director here,
Oo.
No,
Vicente Dufour.
Mm-hmm.
You will see it in the one of the narrator that You'd see it. You'd see it.
Okay.
You'd see it.